Hello student, I am your Naba ma'am and today we are going to discuss chapter 23 and the name of the chapter is area. So let's begin. So what is area? Okay student, area is an important topic in mathematics which is used in everyday life. It is a property of 2D figure, okay, which define the space occupied by the solid. What is area? Area is a space occupied by a solid. You must have heard about different shapes such as triangle, rectangle, square, etc. So the area is basically the space covered by these shapes, okay. It is calculated in square units. So let's understand one by one. In your syllabus there is only two topics. There is area of square and area of rectangle, okay, and the further you will study in respective classes like in class 6, 7th, 8th. So first you must know what is the meaning of the area, okay. So area is something like a space occupied by a 2D shape. Area is a region bounded by the shape of an object. The space covered by the figure or any geometrical shape is the area of the shape. The area of all the shapes depend upon its dimension and its properties. Different shapes have different areas. The area of the square is different from the area of the kite. It means it depends on the dimension and the property of that particular geometrical shape. Now what is the unit of area? If the side of the square is 1 centimeter, then it is measured in centimeter square or square centimeter. So basically the unit of area is square unit, okay. Now the next is formulas, how you are going to calculate the area of rectangle as well as the area of square. So first we will discuss the area of rectangle. What is rectangle? A rectangle is a figure or a shape with opposite sides equal, okay. So in rectangle opposite sides are of equal length, okay student. And the area of rectangle is the space occupied by it. That is how you are going to calculate when you multiply its length into its breadth, okay. Length and breadth, two different dimensions you have in the case of rectangle. You will multiply the dimensions of both and you will get the area of the rectangle. Now the next topic is area of a square. As you all know, a square is a shape or a figure with all four sides equal, okay. In that case length and breadth both are of equal length. So if you want to calculate the area of square, you can multiply side into side, means length and breadth if both are of equal length, so you can multiply side into side and you will get the area of square, and the unit is again square unit, okay. If it is in meter, square meter. If it is in centimeter, square centimeter. It depends on the dimension of the square or as well as rectangle, okay student. Let's understand this with this example. Find the area of rectangle of length 25 centimeter and breadth 18 centimeter. So first thing you have to write the length and breadth. As you know, the formula of area of rectangle is L into B, means length into breadth. Multiply and you will get the answer. Don't forget to mention unit. Unit is very important. Unit is the identification that you are calculating the perimeter, area or the volume, okay. So here as you can see the question is given in centimeter, so answer is given in square centimeter. Another example, area of square. In that case all the sides are of equal length, so you can multiply A into A, okay, or side into side or base into height, whatever you want to follow. For example, if A is equal to 3, so 3 into 3 is 9 unit. If 3 unit is in centimeter, so answer will be in centimeter square. If the length of the side is given in meter, then answer will be in the square meter, okay student. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now this is your learning check. Find the area of rectangle of length and breadth is given. Find the area of square whose side is given. Now there is two more questions. Find the length of the rectangle whose area and breadth is given, and find the breadth of rectangle whose area and length is given. Solve this question. Okay, thank you student, all the best.